Hey guys, this is Sal and welcome to one more awesome episode of Technical Saturday Series. Technical Saturday Series में आप सभी का स्वागत है और उसी के साथ इस पर्टिकुलर एपिसोड में हम लोग कोई टेक्निकल टॉपिक डिस्कस नहीं करने वाले हैं, बट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस समथिंग रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बेस्ड ऑन माइंडसेट, एंड दैट इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ बीइंग अ लाइफर. And as you all know, the people those who are following me on Instagram, जैसे कि आपको पता होगा that I am attending a 3-day virtual event by my mentors Vishal sir and Meghna ma'am, which is going to shift the whole trajectory of not just as a trader but as an overall person. And even I believe in the same concept, और मैं हमेशा ये चीज बोलता हूँ that you should not just focus on your finances or trading part, but you should also focus on your own self and your overall 360-degree transformation, that is your health, relationship, career, and every other aspect of life as well, whether it is health, wealth, relationship, then comes personal development, community, and so on. Right? तो आज मैंने जो concept सीखी है, although this is about to get posted on Saturday, but as I'm attending this 3-day event, that is from morning 9 till evening 6 o'clock, और ये भी जो वीडियो है I'm just recording after Friday's event, यानी कि I'm recording somewhere around 7:30 to 8 o'clock, because ये जो है concept मैंने बहुत you can consider बहुत अच्छे से understand करी है, and this is also one of the example which my sir gave to ma'am and ma'am shared in today's session. And ये मैं session से जो मैंने learning ली है that I'm sharing with you is that a lot of people start their trading journey with one single mindset कि यार अगर मैं यहाँ पे एंटर कर रहा हूँ, मेरा प्रॉफिट हुआ तो ठीक है, बट अगर मेरा लॉस हो गया then I'll be getting out of this particular profession. But the example was very amazing. Just take an example. Let's assume right now we are taking an example of a person who has done any kind of, let's assume कुछ गलत काम किया है उन्होंने जिसकी वजह से उनको जेल में जाना पड़ा है. Right? So there are two kind of people right now we are taking in the form of example. एक जो पर्सन है दोनों को जेल होने वाली है, बट एक द पर्सन ए इज हैविंग इम्प्रिजनमेंट फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 3 months to 6 months, एंड ऑन द अदर साइड जो इंसान है दैट इज बी पर्सन, उनको पूरी लाइफ टाइम की इम्प्रिजनमेंट है, विच मीन्स वो पूरी लाइफ अपनी जेल में ही स्पेंड करेंगे. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज जो ए पर्सन है उनका माइंडसेट क्या होता है वाइल एंटरिंग इनटू जेल कि यार मैंने कुछ गलत काम वगैरह तो किया है, बट दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली ऑलराइट, बट जब मैं जेल के अंदर जाऊंगा that is just the span of almost 3 months to 6 months or maybe 1 year. उसके बाद मुझे बाहर आ जाना है. So what they do is वो वहां से अडाप्ट नहीं करते हैं, वहां से कुछ सीखते नहीं है, या फिर अपना कुछ वहां पे योगदान नहीं देते हैं. Like we also mentioned, like we should have purpose, we should have mission, and we should contribute something to the world. But on the other side जो person B है, वो उसको पता है क्लैरिटी, उसको कंप्लीट क्लैरिटी है कि जिस दिन मैं जेल के अंदर गया, आफ्टर ही और शी हैज डन ऑल दोस थिंग्स, ऑल दोस रॉन्ग थिंग्स, उसके बाद उनको जेल में जाना पड़ा है. After that, that particular person is having this mindset कि यार आज के बाद मैं कभी बाहर नहीं आने वाला हूँ, and jail itself is my life. So what they try to do is they try to improve themselves, they try to improve their environment, और वो सोचते हैं कि यार मेरी लाइफ यही है तो at least I should improve, and at least I should raise my you can consider raise my level of energy, raise my level of information or whatsoever. राइट, सिमिलर इज व्हाट हैपेंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टिंग एज वेल. बहुत सारे लोगों का एम्बिशन होता है, उनका मिशन होता है कि यार मुझे ट्रेडिंग और इन्वेस्टिंग में सक्सेसफुल बनना है, बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट once they enter into trading or investing, let's assume they are not learning anything, or even if they are learning but they are not implementing something, या फिर implement करने के बाद भी उनको छोटे छोटे लॉसेस हो रहे हैं. So what they think is कि यार let's just leave this out, मेरे को बाहर निकलना है, I'm happy with my profession, let me do my business, let me do my job. But on the other side, the person who is completely dedicated कि यार even those छोटे छोटे losses हो रहे हैं, sometimes छोटे छोटे जो accounts होते हैं वो भी उनका overall capital भी wipe out हो जाता है, because even this is what happened with me. मेरे छोटे छोटे accounts थे, like although that was the same account, but मैंने छोटी छोटी amount से start किया था जिसमें मेरा complete wipe out हो जाता था just because of 1 or 2 mistakes. Right? Although I learned from those mistakes, and वो मैंने आज तक अपनी life में repeat नहीं किया, and I'm not gonna repeat in my rest of my life. Right? So even taking the example of B person in terms of trading as well, वो क्या सोचते हैं कि यार now this is my life, और no matter what happens, even if मैं छोटे अमाउंट से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, बड़े अमाउंट से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, मुझे A to Z पूरा सीखना है, and then I have to implement, I have to execute flawlessly, and so on. And that is why they become successful in trading. And even आपने भी ये stats देखा होगा that the people, those who start their trading or investing journey, lose like 90% of the people lose their 90 to 100% of capital within 90 days. Right? And if you are a person who has actually experienced that, and you're still into the market, which means you are a B category of person and you should start focusing on learning, not just कि मेरे को profit कमाने हैं and so on. Because what happens is that, even ये मैंने आज ही सीखा है, that as and when we get the taste of stock market, even though profit हो रहा है, loss हो रहा है, that does not matter, but हमें वो लत लग जाती है कि यार अब मुझे ट्रेडर बनना ही है, मुझे इन्वेस्टर बनना ही है. Even though आपका, let's assume if you are doing investing, if you are making profit or even if you are making losses, but still you will not go away from this market, right? So even that is what I have also experienced, because even so far in last 3 years जो मेरी ट्रेडिंग जर्नी रही है, 2 बार मेरा खुद का अकाउंट जो था वो वाइप आउट हो चुका था, एंड लॉट्स ऑफ मिस्टेक्स आई डिड. इवन तो मैं सीख रहा था, मैं इंप्लीमेंट भी कर रहा था, कुछ चीजों को मैंने मिस आउट कर दिया था जिसकी वजह से वो मिस्टेक्स हुए, एंड देन माय अकाउंट्स गॉट वाइप्ड आउट. छोटी अमाउंट थी, ज्यादा कुछ बड़ी नहीं थी, बट अल्टीमेटली आई टुक अ गैप एज वेल. एंड इवन दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस विद द पीपल दोज हु आर फ्रॉम बी कैटेगरी, जिनको लगता है कि यार this is my life, I'm going to do it for rest of my life. And no matter what happens, once you you can start your journey into trading or investing, जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी बताया, no matter what happens, you will trade or invest for rest of your life. Mark my words, you will trade or invest for rest of your life. Even if आप कुछ महीनों का, कुछ सालों का ब्रेक ले लोगे, but you will definitely come back to this particular journey, right? So that's why what I would like to request here is that never ever give up. Always do things with a mindset of being a lifer, although people do call it as liver also, like, but that's the part of our body, so I would like to call it as lifer, jo maine seekha hai from my mentors Vishal sir and Meghna ma'am. So even that's what I would like to share with you, is that no matter what happens, I'm not just mentioning about trading or investing, but I'm also mentioning about all the aspects of life, right? Even right now while recording this particular video, मैं skip कर सकता था, मैं ये बोल सकता था that I'm in an event, so I can't deliver the session, I can't deliver the videos and so on, right? But what I did is, ये मैंने decide कर रखा है, I have to do it for rest of my life. I am a lifer. That's why I'm pre-recording this video, because tomorrow and even day after tomorrow, from morning 9 till even 6:30, 7 o'clock, that event is going to go on. और उसके बाद भी I am going to have few other sessions, जिसके चलते I think weekly mastermind will get missed, but I'll try my best. Even if midnight का भी time मिलेगा, still I'll record that particular video, because I'm committed towards my journey, and I want you to be committed to your journey, not just about trading or investing, but about every other aspect of your life as well, whether it is health, wealth, relationship, career, personal development, community, and so on, right? So that was the video for today's Technical Saturday series, and मैं आशा करता हूँ that आपको बहुत सारे lessons सीखने को मिले होंगे इस वीडियो से. Although मैंने example लिया था about jail and the person who did wrong things, but वही example मेरे mentors ने भी share किया था, because that's the appropriate example, which I also think that it's absolutely appropriate while sharing this particular concept of being a lifer. And that was today's episode of Technical Saturday series. Please do make sure that you share this particular episode with at least one friend of yours, and I'll see you tomorrow with Weekly Mastermind. Tomorrow, in the sense like on Sunday at 5 p.m. sharp with Weekly Mastermind. Till then, live fully, love openly, and make the difference today. I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.